going to do vertical spindle alignment. In this case, we are measuring the parallels between the axis of rotation of the table and the z-axis of the spindle moving up and down. For this application, we have placed the R sensor on the table, which we are going to rotate in two positions, 0 and 180 degrees. In the same time, we are placing the spindle in two positions, which we have selected from the Stravel measurement results before. For this example, we have picked the starting position at -180, and then we're moving up 130 millimeters to position -50. When entering the program, we go for vertical spindle alignment, and we are putting the R sensor on the lower part. We have the rotating table from underneath. So this is the correct screen. We have to enter the different positions. So we make the same configuration. We have position number 1 at 180 minus, and we have a distance of 130 millimeters, which ends up number 2 in 50 minus. Accept that configuration, and we can start doing the measurements. We have positioned the R sensor as it's shown in the picture on the screen, with the R towards us. This is position number 1. And this is our starting position. So what we do is record the first reading, and then we are rotating the table 180 degrees. The rotating is done by using the CNC system. And when we are in the correct position, we record. And now the software tells us to go up with the spindle to position number 2, which is -50. And then rotate back the table to rotation and angle 0 degrees. And record the 4th and final reading. And then we get the results. In this case, the results is divided into 2 directions. On the left side, you see how the rotating axis is parallel to Z in the direction Y, which means in and out. The right side is telling us how the spindle is pointing in side to side. The black line is a Z axis, and the red line is the pointing direction of the table, which is the Z axis in this case. Also, this measurement we save to the memory. Spindle C to Z. And this is a picture that we save together with all the measurement data in the memory. And this is actually the measurement done already.